into any phrase. I'm frayphobic.
Frayphobic. What's going on, guys? Today we're checking out Chicken Run: Dawn of the Nugget. If you are new here, my name is Shyheim. I'm a singer-songwriter who loves to watch movies and TV shows, and excited to see this one. I love the first movie. If you have seen my reaction to that on here on the channel, you know that was a fun experience. That one was super fun and funny. I'm hoping this one is the same thing. We got some new cast. We got a new cast for Rocky, Ginger, and Molly. We got Zachary Levi as Rocky, Bella Ramsey as the new little chicken that they have, Molly, and yeah, I'm excited to see what they got for us. We also got some characters that are returning, so that makes me happy. But yeah, if you enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Check out all my socials and my Patreon, link in the description below. So without further ado, let's hop straight into Chicken Run: Dawn of the Nugget.
Hey, how you doing in there? You sitting comfortably, all settled in? Okay, good. Now listen.
All right.
It's all about the time we escaped from a chicken farm.
Oh yeah.
There was this farmer, see?
This crazy Miss Tweety.
Kept them locked up like prisoners. I guess you could say she had a real axe to grind. Got herself a machine.
We know what happened to that chicken.
But with a certain freedom-fighting chick. And gave us the wings to fly right out of that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And
hey,
to that wicked farm.
She wasn't done though.
And you know who that freedom-fighting chicken was? Your very own mom.
Those days are over, thank goodness. We've got our happy ending.
But they're like right across the lake.
I think it's time to put the past behind us.
Dang, nah, they done elevated.
These are our glory days.
Those are memories.
Our only mission is to keep our baby safe. Old Rocky here is on the case.
Okay.
What do I do?
Ah, it's here.
Rabbit!
Wee.
Oh no! Oops! Eggs up! Good grief! A live shell!
Oh Lord, we're playing football with it.
Would you look at that?
Aww.
Look at her, Rocky.
So she doesn't know how to speak. Is she gonna grow up a little bit before we get to see really the story?
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Oh yeah. That's so cool of a place they got right there.
Let me tell you all about
Hey.
the brightest star up in
She said no thank you.
Molly! Just one little every
Molly, a thrill seeker like her father.
Ooh, no.
Parkour.
Words I can't describe the way I love her. Ooh, yeah. She
She looks sneaky.
all the way up. Can't get enough.
Bruh.
Mad at my baby.
Hey, boys!
Hey.
Got some quality.
Our favorite rats.
Here you go. Molly, hold on to this for Daddy.
I think they're rats. I don't think they're mouse.
Well, nice to see you. See you next month.
Next month, where do they live? All right.
One day she'll have to go. See you later. Keep it to myself, don't
Oh nah, she getting tall.
cause she's still got the world to see.
Dang, bro, she wanna see the world. She wanna get out of here, huh? Why? It's dangerous out there. Nah, look nice. I wouldn't want to be trapped here.
Hi, Dad. Uncle Nick. Uncle Fetcher.
Oh yeah.
Called me uncle.
Go.
Steady, mate. Steady.
Steady.
I was thinking, can we go over there?
Over where?
The other side of the water.
The memories.
Oh, we've spoken about this, Molly. There's nothing over there for us.
What about the stuff Uncle Nick and Fetch bring?
Hey, they're different, you know?
Molly's asking about going off.
No one wants to eat them. Oh, popcorn, huh? Oh, yeah.
Only the answer to all of life's problems.
Oh, yeah.
One.
Love popcorn.
My girl doesn't get better than this.
Dang, man. Those do look spectacular right there.
Huh?
Fee Fi Fo Fum? What is that? Oh, wow.
What is it?
It's nothing to worry about.
Alright, they ain't reaching over here.
Well,
Oh, look at the roads.
it looks like
Oh,
some kind of chicken farm.
oh no! We gotta stop them.
Meeting tonight. Spread the word.
Here we go again.
Here we go again, bruh. 23 years later.
What's this meeting about?
It's nothing, Molly.
It's very serious business.
There's some quite big wasps.
Really?
Besides,
No.
I don't want to charge into any phrase. I'm frayphobic.
Frayphobic.
now, we all know.
Babs is funny.
No, it's all right, Beryl.
Alright, chill.
We know from experience what that can mean. Thing we just can't ignore.
How do you just randomly knit that?
We have to hide.
No. Definitely not what we were thinking.
You mean pretend we're not here?
That's crazy. Forget them other chickens.
Operation Lie Low. Jolly good.
Yeah.
She's right, you know. It's really not our problem.
Dang. They crafty, I'll tell you that. What?
All we have to do now is
I'm weak.
and not draw attention to
Does
ourselves.
that look suspicious or what? You didn't invite Rocky to the meeting, so he doesn't know.
Don't crow. But that's like my thing.
That's my thing.
We talk about the
She's right, you know.
Bro, Fowler, what are you doing in there?
I'm running a camouflage lesson at noon. If you can.
I would definitely take it. I would definitely be there.
What's it for, Mum?
That.
What is that? It's got a chicken sitting in a bucket on it. It's doing this. Funny.
Oh no, she doesn't know.
It'll help.
Maybe I could crow at weekends. You know?
You should have invited him to the meeting.
Like a caca or a doodle-doo. You know, something that...
A caca.
I'm going over to see those trucks because I am a lone free ranger. Like Dad was.
No.
I've seen his poster. He used to live over there, and
He
you
did?
did too.
Did I say that? I don't...
I knew she would see something.
You are not leaving this island.
You're not the boss of me,
What?
You've got everything you want right here.
except for one thing:
Don't.
freedom.
Ah. No, that was... Oh, that's literally your freedom right there. But it's a different type of freedom. It's a, like, childhood freedom. Like, you don't want to be confined to freaking being watched all the time, you know? We all have it at that age. But yeah, this is we got to wait for another type of freedom, like the good freedom. You know? We fought the fight. You're up there.
Hmm?
Oh gosh. Move, girl. Just saved your life.
Isn't it a bit late for you to be out, baby girl?
I'm not a baby girl.
I'm not a baby girl.
Isn't it a bit late for you to be out too?
Okay.
Good point.
Well, I'm Frizzle.
Frizzle.
You are?
Miss Frizzle.
Molly,
Magic School Bus?
you've seen them too.
Right. Gonna be cooler than a penguin's toenail.
No. Are you naive? No. Hide.
What is that?
Never seen a human before. They're kind of stupid.
They kind of are.
They're basically like waiting staff.
What? Don't do that to them.
What you say, Molly?
Dang, she kind of... Frizzle is small. Oh my gosh. No freaking way. Ah. Yep. Time to save the baby girl. But it's like inevitable. We gotta go there now.
Where are the buckets? I bet they give them to us when we get there.
They're gonna put you in a bucket to dump you in the freaking oven.
Huh?
Yeah. They're not paying attention either. Where chickens find their happy endings.
That doesn't look so bad.
Maybe, maybe not. That title is misleading. Or what is it? Slogan? No, that's terrible. That is terrible. What? What in the maximum security prison? Also, I'm loving the claymation and animation update. It's so good. So nice. It's crispy.
Where shall we keep them?
Oh, this is way more than just, you know, that's bigger than what we faced before.
Last time we broke out of a chicken farm. This time?
We breaking in. I'm weak. All right, Babs, you don't gotta go. It's okay. These stupid, naive chickens.
Cool.
See, until they see one of their own get axed up, it's over. Like, once they see that, then it's over. They're putting collars on them. What?
I promise you the adventure of a
Maybe. No, you're not getting me. No, not getting me. I don't like it. They got shock collars on.
Listen, everyone. We can do this.
And it looks like an evil villain lair.
I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna bust Molly out.
Just how the bloomin' heck are you going to do that?
Well, by, you know, going
What?
in there and
And then busting her out.
busting her out.
Oh, that's not a plan.
Rocky?
Bro.
Sometimes you just gotta take a leap, Ginger.
A leap of faith. How far does he make it, though? That's the question. You know, he was him back in the day. Oh! And the barbed wire caught his foot. Move. Oh, nah. Oh, weave. What else? Tranquilizer darts? Really? No! Okay, that's a lot deadlier. You know how to swim? Just drop, bro. Okay. Not that bad. It could have been worse. No. What? Where'd he go?
Well, one good thing.
Maybe he is in there.
We're gonna need some backup.
Oh, yeah.
It's an impossible mission.
Really? How impossible?
All these guards, the camera-driven gun-toting.
Take out the cameras, take out the guards.
Please, you've got to help us.
Take out the guards. How are we gonna do that? We're just little chickens. Never mind.
Molly, our little niece. But steady, mate.
You know, he...
So you're in.
Anything for our little Molly.
I'm weak.
We can do this, everyone.
Our little Molly.
This place is fun.
It's the most amazing place.
They trick you. Nah, we want popcorn though.
Cooler than a penguin's toenails.
That's the Colonel right there.
I wonder if they're missing me.
Great, isn't it?
Now you're thinking that. Why'd you leave?
Come on.
Hey, while you're there, you might as well try everything before it get wicked.
Sorry.
Chickens are dumb. Wait. They're zombified. Except for Frizzle and Molly. See? It's about to get wicked. Oh my god.
Oh no, what's this? You weren't supposed to be back there, number.
There's no number. Oh my god.
One chicken's making any trouble here.
You finna dress up as a chicken and go do it? You're so weird. I like it.
Okay, everyone. It's go time.
Oh yeah.
It's all right. I went before we left.
No, Babs. Time to go in. What you do? What you gonna do? Tastes good. Ah. Oh. The sound effect. Ain't no way. See, that's why they the goats. It's fine, bro.
No, you mug. It's upside down.
Oh, right.
Oh, don't do it right now. Wait till. There we go. No, you mug. How y'all not seeing these little chickens is beyond me. Dun 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 dun. Gotta swim. Just keep swimming. Oh, okay, Ginge. Oh, up and away. Oh. They did not land cool enough, but whatever. Oh yeah, Mary Poppins style.
Perfect landing.
Perfect.
Right on the button. Okay.
You idiot. No. Wow. Oh shoot. That's how we doing it. Oh, that was an immaculate zoom. Immaculate zoom. Ain't no way. Staff records. What's his name? Ben? Looks like a bin. Dang, I wanted to see what his name was. The cleaning supplies got up and ran away.
More like taxi driver for a couple of rats.
Bro, it's pretty cool. The fact that y'all got that to freaking fly is insane.
Some rambling old rooster who's easily distracted. Oh, actually.
Leave that larva alone. Oh, finally. What, he landed in the garbage?
Rocky!
We're with Ginger.
Guys, put the freaking umbrella up.
I'm not being rescued. I am.
Yeah, we're not here for you, bro. I'm gonna be so real.
I don't think I like it here.
No, you guys gotta hide because there's There's gonna be a big chicken that comes.
Maybe we should try and find out what's going on in this place.
Now that sounds like a real adventure.
Oh yeah. No. Thank God it's a wall. Oh gosh. He didn't see Molly. No.
Oh, you naughty little thing. I'm just your big chicken friend who only wants you to be happy.
Oh, run. Nah, she didn't run. She didn't run. She didn't run. She gonna say Frizzle with that freaking collar now.
What was that?
You see around her neck.
Hello. Who are you? What?
Yep.
Frizzle? What's this?
Gosh, now you're in there by yourself.
But I've never been so happy.
See, the world is crazy. That's what they were trying to protect you from. Just keep your bearings. Stay low. There's cameras in here.
No, I'm big.
And you're brave.
And I'm brave. Frizzle,
Let's go.
listen.
Just like your mom.
Come on.
They're not gonna make it though.
No!
Throw something. Oh, okay.
Oi! What are you lot doing?
Nothing. I love when they attack.
How am I ever gonna find Molly in here?
Well, your wife already found her.
Actually, a little slow.
She on a mission.
Oh, well, I think we can...
Yeah, she.
Molly!
Goodness gracious. You can't slide there. No way. No way.
Molly, Molly, Molly.
Whoa. Action chicken ginger.
Good.
Oh.
My
Dang, this.
will be joining us shortly.
Who lived there? Your partner better not be who I think it's gonna be.
Its natural instinct is fear and panic.
Uh-huh. Very true.
Muscle
What just happened?
is tough, dry, and flavorless.
It is tough, dry, and flavorless. I hate you, Mummy.
Dang.
What if science could alter a chicken's response to fear?
Wow.
What if it could make a chicken happy?
And it would be no longer tough and flavorless.
A happy chicken is a tasty chicken.
Okay. They cooking. Literally.
But will you be able to do it?
We already have.
No freaking way. No freaking way.
Allow me to introduce my wife,
Wife.
Melissa Tweedy.
No. No.
It's her.
Yes, I know.
Darling, this
I know.
Eat-a-lot.
But she said, F Mr. Tweety. He did not listen to me.
That one.
But she's the smallest one.
Where am I? Don't even like Molly.
Oh, shoot. They turned it off.
That's the off button.
Oh. Oh my gosh, that's so insane. 314. She's being chosen?
She's won the prize.
Oh, wow.
What a lucky ducky.
No. No. That chicken finna become KFC.
Look at me and do not look away.
Chopped chicken. Chopped liver and all. Why does it look so real?
The dawn of the Nugget.
Roll credits.
Oh.
Ah.
Love you, Mummy.
A My God, chill. She is married.
They want their food and they want it fast.
Oh yeah.
We will give it to them.
Fast food.
Bucket full.
That's what they mean. In a bucket.
I like it. This could be big.
Revolutionary.
And Militia Tweedy will have her revenge.
Oh, finally, bro. She want that big bucks. She needs them. She after her pot pie failure.
Can't go without Frizzle. Frizzle? Who's Frizzle? She's my friend.
No.
Bye-bye.
You!
Run. That's the thing. I understand Molly's point of view, but Molly don't understand what we had to go through. Why? Because they never told her. They wanted to hide that and shy her away from that.
And ruined my life.
Yeah. Oh, heck no. Oh, to project that? Oh my gosh. Ah.
All the feed you could eat.
No.
You still weren't happy.
No, we weren't. We saw you what you did to that chicken. It was meat, quota, or die.
You're the lone free ranger, right? You used to get shot out of a cannon, right? That.
Uh-huh.
Why?
No.
Never seen a chicken so strong-willed.
Yeah. You don't know what she bring. It's Ginger.
Full power.
Big Ginge.
Must I do everything myself? Husbands and chickens, the bane of my life.
I'm weak. Oh, shoot. She turned it up to 11. No, focus, focus, focus. Yeah! Come on, come on. Oh, yeah. Come on, Molly.
Come on, Mom.
Wait, the waist.
Who's Mum?
No, take that crap off.
And we have to get out of here. I love it here.
Molly, pay attention.
Dad?
Molly.
It's a reunion, but we don't have time to say hugs. To say hug, give hugs. Hey, 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 hey.
He's got some moves.
Yeah.
Wait.
That's the waist.
We can't lie, we are chickens.
Okay. I knew you had the moves already, Rocky. I forgot about that party. They all had the moves low key.
Hey, get him.
Slide, slide. So long, suckers.
I'm sure.
It won't budge.
No. You gotta take it off with that key.
Magic. The fairy dab.
Ugh. Alright, now we gotta wait.
Oh, it's like being inside a giant biscuit.
No way we in this crap right now.
Molly. What happened?
What happened? You went cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Now we in the chicken feed.
Quickly! Find it.
Now what in the world?
Righto.
Oh, not that crap.
Hey, yo.
Hey, anyone down there?
Us, we're here.
Do not tell him he's our miracle. There'll be no living with him.
On the case.
No, don't do it. He always been doing stupid stuff.
Family.
You're not helping. He's like, oh crap.
What's wrong?
This is all my fault.
No.
I should have listened to you and done what I was told.
Well, they shouldn't have hid everything from you. So, it's on them too. If they didn't hide, you wouldn't you would know, you wouldn't go out and do this.
I used to hate being fenced in. So why did I expect you to be any different?
Right.
Them runaway chickens have got themselves stuck in a corn silo.
Oh, that's what it's called, the silo. That's right.
Little chickens.
At least it's like corn kernels and not what it turns into when you grind it.
I think there's a grinder at the bottom of this thing. We'll all probably drown before we're ground into tiny wee pieces.
Yeah, but that's worse.
Popcorn. Popcorn, everyone.
Popcorn.
Rocky, I don't think this is the time to...
Oh yeah, it is. Come on, Molly.
Can I once again raise my health and safety concerns?
What is it?
We didn't sign no waivers, my boy. Oh, that's cool. What's the play? I mean, it's gonna get stuck. Okay, I was hoping that would happen.
I thought we were back in place. Enemy fire at sea.
Look, bro.
It's raining popcorn. Good old British weather.
British weather, huh? We know what's coming, bro. Rain. Looks very nice out, though.
Now let's fly this crazy coop, huh?
We gotta save the others, though. She wanted to save Frizzle. And she's very much like you, Ginge. Bro, them nuggets looking bust. They look good. But we know we can't just leave them to die.
I'm going back.
For Frizzle?
Yes, for Frizzle.
And all the chickens. No chicken.
That was crazy. She was like, we're gonna hide. I'm not gonna think about those chickens.
You take Bunty, Babs, and Mac to where all the chickens are.
First it was a prison break.
Stay out of...
Now it's a prison break in.
Going up that staircase. Rocky,
Chicken break in.
we bust our way out.
And party time. Oh yeah. Whoop, whoop.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Are we really gonna take all those chickens to our house though? Our island?
Where was I? Oh, yes. Whizbang Charlie had lost his undercarriage and the...
Trying to get away. No. All you gotta do is get the button to turn it off.
No, this is not good, Mac.
It's not. We're going on a summer holiday.
My turn.
Summer holiday. Hey. Alright, do it like you did before.
Mac, hurry!
That is not how you did it.
I got it. Oh, I don't got it.
No!
Rocky!
How? Not again. Huh? No way. No way. She crazy. Dang, I wish it landed on the button. Summer holiday. Hey.
Going on holiday.
Summer holiday.
And everyone into Nuggets.
Bab's kind of slow again with this holiday nonsense.
We're going where the sun shines.
Shine bright. Hey. We got Frizzle back. Let's go.
You only get your own bucket when they chopped you up and cooked you.
Yeah.
Time to go.
No. No. Stop them. We can't unlock all of them. We just gotta press that button. No. Y'all risking y'all own safety for them. Get out the way. Not the we. Not them forming a whole assembly line. Hurry up with the button. Just press it.
Ginger.
Press the button and throw the button masher thing the remote in the grinder. What? Stop. Don't look at Molly. Shush. She literally had it. Throw it to your mom. Throw it to your mom. Come on.
Catch! They're going over, Mom!
What are you waiting for?
You can't wait!
Just do it. Bruh. It's a...
You've just got to take a leap.
Yeah, it's a leap of faith. Look at her freaking out. She wasn't gonna hit her. Oh yeah, catch your daughter. Let's go. Get up and run. Dang.
I got you. I got you.
There's the crazy lady still.
Might make a bucket full.
Bye-bye.
Again.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was like a whole different direction from killing her. What, 90 degrees from killing her, bro? It's happening. Escape.
Sounds like a...
Chicken break. Oh my god. Even more insane than the last movie. Yes. Yes. Now ram that stop. And go, go, go. Fowler! Dang. Oh, landed it. Hey.
P.I. Fowler. Getaway. Reporting for duty.
Where would we...
Hop on aboard. Oh, God.
Darling!
But they, I was about to say, they never give up. Oh, Lord.
Pumpkins out of the
Dang. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that's worse than the first explosion.
The best thing about going on holiday is getting back home, isn't it?
Yes, it is, isn't it, Babs?
I love Babs.
Sergeant Molly reporting from reconnaissance.
Oh yeah.
Beyond the North Field, 30 birds to a cage.
Right, everyone?
No way.
This one's It's go.
We just not gonna have chicken.
Is crowing back on the agenda?
Oh, definitely. Ready, everyone?
Let's go. Hey, let's go.
Let me tell you all about my baby.
Baby. Baby. Hey. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Chicken Run Dawn of the Nugget. Dawn of the Nugget was actually the project that we're freaking doing, you know? Building this fast food kind of new wave of getting food. That was interesting. Mrs. Tweety being back was like unexpected. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm glad they didn't try to give us that in the trailer. Maybe they did, or maybe they didn't. I think I only watched the teaser though. You know how I feel about trailers. I don't really like them. Try not to watch them. Try to go in blind as much as possible. And that's what I did. Bella Ramsey, love seeing her in everything. I'm gonna continue to watch stuff that she is in. And yeah, I think I like this one more than the first one. This one just had a lot more to give, it being longer. I think that's where the first one falls short just a little bit, but at the same time, it's from 2000. So you got to give it its credit where it was due. The claymation in both these movies were great. This one, obviously, it's 2023, so we're gonna have a lot better like quality of it. So that was really fun. Every character was great. We got to see more Nick and Fetcher. They were hilarious in the first movie. They were even more hilarious in this movie. And the dynamic between Rocky and Ginger was just a lot stronger. But at the same time, I feel like we didn't get enough of that, which is fine because we had their daughter. And I think that was the main focus, which was all that I could ask for because Molly was great. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel here. Check out the Patreon, my Discord, and all my other socials in the link in the description below. Sorry, I'm messing up words. But yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed once again. And until next time, take care. Peace out.